We're back in my kitchen today, and I want you to recall what we did yesterday. We were hunting around for things in the kitchen that started with the first 8 letters of the alphabet. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. And today we're going to do the next 9. Same thing. Let's look over here. We are going to focus on I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and Q. Yesterday we folded the paper. Today we're just going to write the letters and then cut around them. And again, I'm going to use the words big line, little line, big curve, and little curve to describe how I'm writing the letters. I'm going to start with the letter I. Big line, jump back up, little line, little line. J. Big line down, little curve, and I like to put a little line on top. K. Big line down, jump back up, little line, little line. L. Big line down, little line. I don't think I'm going to try to squeeze a letter in here because I want to cut them out. M. Big line down, jump back up, diagonal down, diagonal up, big line down. N. Big line down, jump back up. Don't forget that or it's going to be funny looking. Diagonal, and then we're going to do a big line up. O. And I believe I'm going to move down here for P. Big line down, jump back up, little curve. Q. I'm going to make the circle and a little line. And now I'm going to cut them up. I'm going to fold them and put them in my bowl. Okay, I'm going to mix them up and I'm going to pull one out and I'm going to try to find something in my kitchen that starts with that sound. M. Let's see. Mayonnaise. N. Let me think for a minute. This is a hard one. Notebook, notebook, notebook. Wow, that wasn't easy. Let's see. I might have had to go outside for that one. Or O. Could be the long sound. Oh. I'm gonna make something up. Oh no, I can't find an O. I'll put that aside. Maybe I can think more. Q, qua. Oh, that's another hard one. Qua. You know, I wish I had some Nestle Quick, but I don't. I'm gonna have to put that aside too, because Q is gonna be really tough. O and Q. L. Oh, limes. I bought a whole bunch of limes. I love limes. L for lime. J. I know something. J for juice. J for juice. J. And now K. K for my kitchen. K, kitchen. I. Okay, so I is a vowel, 2 sounds. I can have I or I, ooh, I know. ice. And ice cream's in there too. Let's see, what do I have now? P, 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 p. I bought these yesterday. They're peppers, peppers. And now I'm gonna go back because you know what? These are my challenges. Something that starts with an O and something that starts with a Q. I might have to not be so loud. I'm going to be quiet for Q. Now I just need something that starts with an O. Oven, oven, starts with an O. All right. Now, you know what I'm going to say. It's your turn. So the letters we're doing today, for you to find the sounds. I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, and Q. Your job is to write the letters, cut them up, fold them up, put them in a bowl or a bag, mix them up, pull out one at a time, and find something around your house or your yard, doesn't have to be in your kitchen, that begins with that sound.